Tired of Fortnite and thinking about deleting your account? No worries, in this quick video, I'll walk you through the steps to delete your Fortnite account. Let's get started. But before you dive in, keep in mind that your Fortnite account is tied to your Epic Games account. So deleting your Fortnite account means saying goodbye to your Epic Games account as well. Now to delete your Fortnite account, go to epicgames.com with the browser of your choice. Then click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. Now this page should load up. Enter your account details and log into your account. Then click on the profile icon and select Account from the drop-down menu. Now while you're in the Account Settings tab, scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the end, you will find the Request Account Delete button. Click on it. Then click on Delete Account. Now you should receive a code in your email from Epic Games. So check your inbox and copy-paste the code here. Then click on Confirm Account Deletion button. You may be asked to select a reason for your leave. You can share your thoughts or just skip it if you prefer, and your account will be queued for deletion. Within 14 days, your account will be deleted. But if you have second thoughts about deleting your account, just log in within 14 days and reactivate it, and it won't be deleted. So that's it guys, that's how you delete your Fortnite or Epic Games account. If the video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.